If your vehicle is showing a P0340 code, in this video I'll explain what it is and how to go about fixing it. What is a P0340 code? It stands for Camshaft Position Sensor A Circuit Bank 1. In simple terms, your engine's computer has lost track of where the camshaft is. This can cause starting issues, poor mileage, or even stalling. So let's break down the diagnostic process. The camshaft position sensor is the eyes of the engine computer. Its job is to report exactly how fast the camshaft is spinning and its precise position at any given moment. The computer uses this data to manage fuel injection and ignition timing. When a P0340 is set, the signal is either missing, intermittent, or completely out of range. If you have a V6 or V8 engine, the code specifies bank 1, which is always the side of the engine where the number 1 cylinder is located. For 4-cylinder engines, there is only one bank, making it a bit simpler to locate. Possible causes of a P0340 code. The most common cause is a faulty camshaft position sensor. It may have simply failed and needs to be replaced. If you want to confirm the issue, you can test the sensor. There are plenty of guides available that walk through the process, but in many cases, the sensor itself is the root of the problem. A pro tip before you start swapping parts: many modern vehicles require a relearn procedure after you install a new camshaft or crankshaft position sensor. This varies wildly by manufacturer. Some high-end OBD2 scan tools can trigger a cam relearn automatically. Other vehicles require a specific driving cycle, like maintaining a certain speed for several minutes followed by a specific ignition sequence. In some cases, the car will relearn on its own after a few miles of normal driving. Always check your service manual to see if your specific model needs this step to clear the code for good. Another common cause is an issue with the wiring going to the sensor. An open circuit, a short, or a corroded connector can mimic a dead sensor. Most modern vehicles use a 3-wire sensor setup. To test this, grab your multimeter and a wiring diagram for your specific vehicle. First, you need to verify the 5-volt reference. That's the steady power signal the computer sends to the sensor. Next, you need to check the ground to make sure the circuit is complete. Finally, you look at the signal wire. As the camshaft rotates, a metal target passes in front of the sensor. Each time this happens, the sensor sends a signal back to the computer. The computer uses these signals to track the camshaft's position and maintain proper engine timing. If you're checking this with a key in the on position and the voltage is missing, or the signal wire is damaged, replacing the sensor alone won't fix your problem. Another simple check is your fuse box. The camshaft position sensor circuit is typically protected by a fuse. Keep in mind that this fuse is often shared with other components, so it might not be labeled cam sensor. Check your schematics to identify the correct circuit. Finally, consider the mechanical side. On high-mileage engines, a stretched timing chain or a worn timing belt can cause the camshaft to fall out of sync with the crankshaft. Even if the sensor is working perfectly, the computer will see that the timing is off and trigger a P0340. Usually, if the timing is the issue, you will see other codes related to correlation or engine performance alongside this one. To recap, start by checking your fuses and wiring. Then test the sensor itself, and don't forget the relearn procedure if you end up replacing the part. And that's basically it. If you have anything to add, feel free to leave a comment down below. If this video was helpful, please click like, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.